In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create these viral AI videos. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. Once you have created the account, you will arrive here, and as you can see here, I was testing how to create the video for this tutorial. And well, to do it, first we need to go to Image, and here we are going to paste the following prompt. This is going to be in the comment section, so well, now we need to click here where it says settings, and in model we are going to change it to GPT Image 2. Here the quality we are going to change it to medium, and now we have to click here. Now we have to wait a minute. Perfect, here we have the images, so to create the video we have to click here. I chose the image that I like, and here we need to paste the following prompt. This is a very simple prompt where I say that the mouth have to bite the sugar sweet. So now we have to go to settings, and in settings we are going to change the model to Kling 3. In the duration, 6 seconds is okay, but if you want a longer video, you can choose 15 seconds. So now let's click this button, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, let's see the video. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you want to create a video like this one, you can try Novoads AI for just $1. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. So see you in the next video.